With the rapid advance of technology, your life is going to be very different 30 years from now. So check out what your regular day will be like. 8 a.m. You wake up in your smart bed. It collects information about your sleep patterns. In the morning, you have a report sent right to your smartphone. You can then adjust some features, which will help you get an even better night's sleep. You can change the position of your mattress or the temperature of the sheets and pillow, or you can allow the system to do it on its own. Your smart bed also has a built-in projector. You can use it to watch TV. Still lying in bed, you can switch it on to watch the latest news. They advertise space trips again. You can spend a weekend on the moon these days, and they've already sent people to Mars. Along with other tasks, astronauts are exploring the planet to find the best places for future tourism. Robots do some basic stuff, for example, preparing the materials for construction. People can't bring everything they need from Earth. You groan. Going on vacation to space has been your dream for ages. But such trips are still only available for extremely wealthy people. You're not one of them. Yet. Luckily, your gloomy mood doesn't last long. Maybe because you have special mood-boosting lighting in all the rooms of your apartment. A special smart system tunes the lights according to the part of the day to make you feel your best. You get up and stretch your body. Suddenly, a grumbling voice says,
"Finally, our Sleeping Beauty is ready to rise and shine. Duh."
You smile. That's your home wishing you a good morning. By 2050, lots of machines have learned to think like humans. They know how to keep a conversation going. They even have their own personalities. When you were choosing the AI system for your home, you opted for a calm, even-tempered one. But something went wrong, and now you have to deal with your grumpy home picking on you all the time. You don't feel like waiting till your kitchen cooks breakfast for you. That's why you order a delivery from a local cafe. 5 minutes later, you hear a signal near your kitchen window. It has a special opening. You come up to it and take your meal from a delivery drone. It's definitely more convenient than going downstairs from the 96th floor where you live to pick up your order. After breakfast, it's time to get dressed and head out. You usually choose your outfit depending on your goal for the day. If you anticipate loads of physical activity, you put on your exoskeleton suit. It's not the bulky thing it used to be in the past. Modern exoskeletons don't look different from your everyday clothes, but they allow you to lift really heavy weights. There are also pants, jeans, and leggings that make it easier to run or walk for hours on end. One of the best things about the clothing in your wardrobe is that it's self-cleaning. All because, some time ago, scientists invented a special fabric that cleans itself. It uses nanostructures that effectively dissolve dirt and grease. The only thing you need to do is put an item of clothing somewhere it'll be exposed to light. Only yesterday, you spilled some ketchup on your t-shirt. You held it up to the light bulb above your head, and several minutes later, the stain was gone. Your clothes can also change texture, shape, and style throughout the day, and on your demand. Some people opt for things with added augmented reality. Those make viewers see different effects. This way, your outfit may look different to a friend or partner and to a stranger. Before leaving your apartment, you put on your AR glasses, which means augmented reality smart glasses. They're basically wearable computers that instantly show you everything you tend to check on your phone: weather, new messages, driving, and walking directions. Some people prefer wearing AR contact lenses, but for you, glasses feel more comfortable. Another thing you do before setting off is program your robots to do the necessary housework. You do it with the help of your home's bad-tempered AI. It's built into your apartment. That's why you couldn't have changed it once it was installed. At least, your AI listens to your instructions and follows them. By the way, your apartment now looks very different from what homes used to look like in the past. The kitchen is equipped with a conveyor belt auto dispenser, integrated fridge, stove, sink, and dishwasher. There's also a large storage system. You don't need to pay attention to any processes happening there. Your kitchen keeps track of food and, if needed, reorders products. It also prepares your meals by dispensing the ingredients for several robotic chef arms. After the meal is ready, the kitchen deals with dirty dishes and transfers clean utensils and plates to their places. Your bathroom helps keep you healthy. It's equipped with special bioelectrical and 3D scales. They perform body scans and provide you with updates on your physical condition. They regularly inform you what you need to do to reach your health goals and how soon it's likely to happen. Your home is also decorated differently than apartments in the past. Nowadays, people invest in virtual paintings. Almost all elements of your home decor are virtual, including wallpaper and paint. The windows in your apartment can change their color and produce electricity. Thanks to new solar material, they become darker when the temperature outside rises. This way, infrared wavelengths can't enter your home. In other words, these windows have effectively replaced air conditioners. Plus, they double as solar panels. That's how you get the largest part of the electricity you use. These days, climate-controlled indoor gardens are becoming more and more popular. People figured out the benefits of nature and greenery several decades ago. And now, almost every building has an indoor garden to boost the inhabitants' mood and health. You're finally ready to leave the apartment. The door is equipped with a smart lock. It's connected to your smartphone. A special app makes it possible for you to lock and unlock your door remotely. You can even set a schedule for your door to get locked at a certain time. Now, one of the toughest tasks for the day. Oh boy, your transport. Most people have already stopped driving their own cars. Instead, they opt for self-driving vehicles. It's something like a ride-sharing system where you order a compact capsule that drives you around. Such a pod-like system is very cost-effective. After climbing inside, you can relax and do whatever you want, from watching movies on your AR glasses to chatting with your friends. But those who aren't ready to give up their cars keep using them. But these days, all personal cars are equipped with the option of augmented reality. You can spread it onto the windshield of your vehicle and follow the direction the system gives you. The names of the roads and building numbers will appear right in front of your eyes. If you need to go somewhere far away, you can use Hyperloop. It's a high-speed transportation system. It consists of a sealed tube with low pressure inside. That's why pods can travel almost free of friction or air resistance at airline speeds. Oh, you remind yourself you need to do some grocery shopping. This is a much faster and more convenient process than it was 30 years ago. You don't need to wait in line, all thanks to the technology known as automatic identification and data collection. To put it simply, there are scanners by the doors. When you leave the store, they automatically scan all the items in your shopping cart. Then the money is taken directly from your bank account. Well, it's time to return home. After getting into a self-driving pod, you look at a wide bracelet on your wrist. Today, you left your smartphone at home, but it's not a problem. Slowly but surely, these gadgets are becoming obsolete. You can pull up a screen in augmented reality with the help of your bracelet. Or it can be any other accessory or piece of jewelry. This screen can perform the same functions as any touchscreen. The vehicle is taking you through the city. You glance out of the window at massive skyscrapers surrounding you. Most of them, including the one you live in, function as mini cities. They have entire floors occupied by gyms and fitness centers. There are floors with nothing but offices. There are parks, swimming pools, cafes, laundries, supermarkets, and all kinds of other stores. You can live there for months without stepping foot outside.